Hello, my dear friend, technology and heavy machinery enthusiasts. Come to our channel to explore the powerful world of machinery worldwide. Let's discover the strength and performance of these machines in large-scale projects. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to receive notifications for our latest videos. First, let's start with a collection of dump excavators, all of which are powerful and equipped with large buckets. The CAT 966H loader stands out with its massive size and sturdy design. It is powered by a robust Caterpillar C11 diesel engine, delivering up to 262 horsepower. It has a bucket capacity ranging from 3.5 to 5.5 cubic meters and a high dumping clearance of about 3.6 meters, allowing easy material discharge into dump sites or trucks. The Caterpillar 992G is manufactured by Caterpillar Inc., headquartered in Peoria, Illinois, United States. This company has been renowned worldwide for many years in the construction machinery industry. The Caterpillar 992G machine has an operating weight of approximately 94 tons and is designed with a bucket capacity of 16 cubic meters. It also utilizes a hydraulic steering system, providing flexible maneuverability and easy direction control. The Caterpillar CAT 950H loader is a reliable and popular machine in construction and earth moving. It can efficiently complete assigned tasks with a bucket width of 1.8 meters, a height of 1 meter, and a bucket capacity of 4.5 cubic meters. Equipped with a Caterpillar C7 Acert diesel engine with a power, this loader provides strong performance for operators in various operations. The CAT 988F is considered a higher-end excavator compared to the CAT 950H loader. With a maximum engine power of around 375 horsepower and an operating weight of 49 to 52 tons, it can handle large-scale construction and mining tasks. Equipped with a large bucket capacity ranging 11.5 cubic meters, the CAT 988F can transport significant volumes of materials such as rock blocks. Fire trucks are designed to respond quickly and effectively in emergency firefighting situations. One crucial component of a fire truck is the ladder, which serves an essential purpose. The ladder needs sufficient length to access high-rise buildings and requires flexibility to retract and extend rapidly, minimizing the time needed to extinguish the flames. Subscribe to our channel today to experience engaging videos about fascinating heavy machinery. Witness the extraordinary capabilities of these super machines and explore the world of heavy machinery through high-quality videos. Dabian, also known as the largest SUV in the world, is a design masterpiece by Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan Al Nahyan, a prominent owner from the United Arab Emirates. This vehicle is imposing with its enormous size, measuring approximately 10 meters long and weighing up to 24 tons. It is built on a truck chassis and equipped with a powerful diesel engine that generates 425 horsepower, allowing it to traverse any terrain, including deserts. The Cat D11T, introduced in 2008, gained worldwide recognition as the most potent bulldozer of its time, weighing up to 104 tons. With such substantial weight, it has a C32 Acert diesel engine generating an impressive 850 horsepower. The 3-track undercarriage system enhances the machine's mobility and power. With its robust design, the Cat D11T is ready to tackle any task in construction and mining operations. Prinoth Lightwolf is a snow groomer produced by the company Prinoth. It has a track system, wheel move rollers for enhanced traction, and a rear-wheel drive engine. This machine can move and push large amounts of snow. Its low and sturdy frame performs well on snow, and its large fuel tank allows for continuous operation for many hours. The Big Baler 1290 High Density is a robust and high-performance baling machine. It produces bales with dimensions of 90 centimeters x 80 centimeters and can compress material such as straw, grass, wheat, and corn. The bale's weight depends on the material being compressed, typically ranging from 400 kilograms to 900 kilograms. With its advanced dual-gear baling system, this machine is reliable and an excellent choice for farmers and contractors looking for efficient baling equipment. Horsch Robo Autonomous Planter is a planting machine developed by Horsch, a leading company in agricultural technology. With a large payload capacity of 12 tons, it can transport many seeds or crop materials on each trip. The Horsch Robo Planter is prepared to work with various tree planting structures such as Maestro, Avatar, Certo, Cruiser, which have either 12 or 18 meters widths. This enables farmers to be flexible in selecting and using the appropriate planter according to their needs. Scarbat is an advanced and efficient solution for beach cleaning and waste collection. The machine can trim and cut the seaweed into small blocks for groups using brushes and a towing system. Furthermore, the device has a recovery system to filter and separate seaweed from sand and other materials. This machine serves as a quick method for cleaning beaches along long coastlines. The Metso LT120 is equipped with a powerful electric motor and a high-quality particle crushing system, allowing the machine to process stones with sizes of up to 48 inches. It has 2 crushing jaws, a mobile jaw, a fixed jaw, and a big rotor. The mobile jaw moves up and down continuously, maintaining a fixed gap distance with the fixed jaw. This is an efficient crushing mechanism where stones are crushed through this robust jaw system. Deep in situ compaction is a specialized mechanism used to compact soft soil areas. With its evenly distributed triangular roller design and rounded edges, this machine can generate high pressure by moving and pounding into the ground. The collision process generates powerful compressive force, effectively compacting the soil subgrade. Komatsu WA900 is a large wheel loader designed specifically for mining operations. With an operating weight of around 110 tons and a high-capacity bucket ranging from 11-15 cubic meters, this machine can handle and transport large volumes of material. One notable feature of the Komatsu WA900 is its use of track shoes, which enhances its mobility on challenging terrains and increases its traction power during movement. The Mary Crusher MJ 2.3 DT boasts astonishing power for land clearing and soil filling. With a powerful engine and a professional blade system, the machine can cut, crush, and grind trees, weeds, and other loose materials. It can quickly handle large trees and soil, resulting in a smooth surface. With engine power and professional blade design, this machine is an essential tool in the construction and forestry industry. This brick-making machine utilizes a rotating and compressing mechanism to produce high-quality rectangular bricks. By combining materials, the engine forms an optimized mixture for brick formation. Then the rotating wheel inside the device applies pressure and compresses the soil cement mixture, transforming it into desired shaped and sized bricks. This machine is widely used to produce various types of bricks with diverse sizes and shapes, from paving bricks to wall bricks. The John Deere 325G has a compact design but possesses tremendous power. With a turbocharged 2.9-liter diesel engine, this machine can quickly handle dense dust and vegetation. This powerful engine has a maximum output of around 74 horsepower and is equipped with a high-flow hydraulic system, providing up to 91 liters per minute. This enables the machine to operate flexibly and powerfully when connected to attachments and accessories like the Loftness tree grinder. The AHUI M650 is used for processing vegetation and ground cover materials. The machine features an intelligent and robust cutting blade system and a rotating rotor operating at a speed of 20 revolutions per minute, which crushes these materials into small pieces, facilitating their processing and disposal. The Caterpillar 992C is a machine designed to meet the needs of mining and extensive construction site material handling big, with an operating weight of up to 85 tons. The wheels are coated with an additional layer of wire mesh to increase the machine's stability during movement. If you find the machines we bring interesting, please like, subscribe to our channel to support us. The SWAT 235 is one of the heavy-duty wood chippers widely used in the wood processing industry. With its sturdy design and ability to handle significant inputs, the machine can chip various types of wood, from pine trees and palms to hardwoods like beech or oak. The powerful grinding system is attached to a rotating rotor, and the material is ground when it comes into contact with these blades. The image you are seeing is the Komatsu D375A8 operating in the high mountainous region of the Alps in France. This machine is being used for mining and road construction purposes. It has an operating weight of up to 72 tons, and with a powerful engine producing up to 610 horsepower, it allows it to move and operate on rugged terrains. In Montreal, Canada, snow removal is essential during winter. With an average snowfall of over 2 meters yearly, workers must work continuously to clean the streets and sidewalks. Modern machinery such as excavators, cranes, and snowplows clear snow in urban areas and main roads. These machines are like snow harvesters. Let's look at the design of a unique vehicle, the Toro 40. The front of the car is as big as the trunk, a military truck from MAN designed to transport goods and military equipment on uneven terrain. The vehicle has a 6.87-liter diesel engine and a maximum payload capacity of 10 tons. Additionally, the car is equipped with anti-aircraft weapons and an intelligent control system that helps the driver operate and control it more effectively. Here we have the Liebherr R996, an impressive piece of machinery weighing approximately 676 tons and equipped with a diesel engine capable of producing up to 4,000 horsepower. This equipment is about 7 meters high and 16.5 meters long with a wheelbase of 6 meters. With increased work efficiency and flexible operation, the Liebherr R996 has become one of the top choices for large-scale mining projects worldwide. Ecolog 590D with Kesla 25RH is a forest work masterpiece designed for efficient wood harvesting and processing. With the support of the specialized Kesla 25RH crane, the machine can easily cut, process, and transport wood, optimizing transportation from the harvesting area to the processing site. With flexibility and effective operation, Ecolog 590D with Kesla 25RH is a top choice for increasing productivity and reducing production costs. Now become much easier to dig channels and pipelines in Turkey thanks to the support of the Tesmek Trencher 1475. This is a widely used and popular machine with the ability to dig up to 3 meters deep and 0.6 meters wide, thanks to its large cutting blade, and peach teeth will be arranged alternately. In addition, The machine is equipped with a hydraulic grip system that helps increase digging efficiency and maintains stability during operation. Another excavator with a boom is the Kemrock KSI 12000, which has a longer length of 7 meters compared to the Tesmec Trencher 1475. This machine also operates efficiently in excavating tunnels and channels for construction and mining companies. This scene is currently happening in Pentagon City, USA, where Amazon's headquarters is being demolished. A machine is being used to break down the walls from the outside using a solid arm and head attachment. This method helps to speed up the process of demolishing high-rise buildings and reduce prolonged noise caused by the demolition process. The Highwall Miner is a specialized mining machine that extracts coal from deep seams beneath the Earth's surface. It works as a comprehensive drilling machine capable of eroding into the rock to break and separate the coal layers from the rock. The extracted coal then falls onto conveyor belts and is transported out of the mine. The machine can work in difficult positions and access hard-to-reach locations that other mining vehicles, such as trucks or other machinery, may be unable to reach. The Mongolia C2S is produced by Sandvik Mining and Rock Technology Company. It is an underground loader for excavating and transporting materials in subterranean environments. The machine is designed with low height and compact size to operate in rock, coal, diamond, and other underground constructions. With its ability to lift to 21 tons, the underground loader Sandvik H621 Mongolia C2S can move quickly and efficiently in mines and rugged terrains. PC2000 is a large excavator produced in Japan in 1990. It weighs about 200 tons and is equipped with a Komatsu SDA 16V159-2 diesel engine with a capacity of 1,700 horsepower. The specially designed bucket faces upwards to increase the power for hard soil and rocks. With these features, the machine's productivity can range from 1,200 to 2,000 cubic meters per hour. Thank you for visiting our Heavy Machinery channel. Subscribe not to miss new videos and continue exploring the powerful world of various types of machinery. See you in upcoming videos.